Dry kitchen with single sink, drain board and gooseneck faucet. For living room space is sculpted to be minimalist, to have a balance and delicate. Filigree meticulously contours its unit to create functional maximum living space. Botanika units are intentionally built with spacious and purposeful lanai. It's an extension of the living room that links to the verdant outdoor. It can be fully utilized to various outdoor. Homogeneous tile flooring for toilet and bath, water efficient and dual flash water closet. Engineered wood flooring for the bedrooms, modular cabinets for all bedrooms. A walk-in closet for owner suite. Unobstructed views for all units. A homogeneous tile flooring for the living and dining area. Usable outdoor space at the balconies, and a homogeneous tiles for the balcony flooring. International experience and out-of-the-box innovation. All of these make up for a design so holistically delightful down to the last detail.
It's a great feeling experience. My name is G. Gutierrez, and I'm the Senior Account Specialist at the Philippines Alabang Incorporated. Welcome to the Botanika Residential here at Philippines City, Alabang.
Reggie Gutierrez, Account Specialist, number 0995378958, mobile 099140 to 7168.